Hi guys, this is Sharnika and you're watching the S2 Sisters. So hi guys, I hope you all are doing good. So in this video, as you can see, we are going to go and watch Ponniyan Selvan Part 1. So I'm really excited and all the Tamilians will be excited for this movie. So this movie is based on a book, Ponniyan Selvan, written by Kalki. And since then, many directors have tried to take this as a movie, but due to some circumstances, they were not able to do it. And now finally at 2022 it got released and today is the second day show. So I'm really excited to see this movie, and as a younger generation, why I want to see this movie badly is because the first thing, there are a lot of famous Tamil actors who have acted in this movie, and the director itself has been famous for many generations. And it also shows us a sense of Tamil history on like how 100 years before people had dressed in the jewelry and their hairstyles and their attire and the songs. So all of this together, I'm really excited to see the movie. And it is also a very big budget movie. They have put 500 crores. So that's why I've been waiting from day one they announced. I was really excited to see this movie. So guys, I will watch the movie and I will share with you my viewpoint and how the story was. So let's get into the video.
ஆண்டுகளுக்கு முன் சோழ நாடு தன் பொற்காலத்தை அடைவதற்கும் முன் வானில் ஒரு பெரும்பால் விண்மீன் தோன்றியது. அப்போது தஞ்சையை ஆண்ட சுந்தர சோழருக்கு 2 மகன்கள், ஒரு மகள். அவர்கள் மூவரையும் ஆபத்து சூழ்ந்தது.
from the very beginning. So from the very beginning it was really interesting, and you were seeing like what is going to happen next. You were always having that enthusiasm or interest in the movie from the first. I felt that it was a little fast paced because they wanted to incorporate everything, but the intervals helped me to digest what happened in the first half and then see the rest of the half. I don't know, because I'm small or something, I could not together digest it, but during the interval it helped me a lot. So overall I could understand the movie, and it was really good. The actors, each one of them played their role really well. Like I felt that they were apt for that role. They were made as that role. They were itself that king and queens. And so mainly the role of Nandini and Vandiyadevan could be seen. So wherever Vandiyadevan, that is Karthi, and Nambi could be seen, it was very humorous. So the first half was very humorous, and as the second half goes, it was really interesting. I enjoyed the movie very much, and I wish the movie went on for a little bit more, because now I want to know more of the movie. I really am waiting for the part 2. I want to really know what's going to happen. Obviously, as book readers will not find this satisfying, because when you convert a book into movie, obviously the director cannot incorporate everything. It was a lot different than the book, but I felt like as a child it was really interesting, and I enjoyed the movie till the end. So I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you like this video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you all in the next video. Bye.